What's up YouTube, Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to shoot your TikToks on OBS, but let's get into it. Alright, so now we're over on OBS. I'm going to show you quickly how to shoot your TikToks on OBS. So what you're going to do, you're going to come down to the bottom right to settings, you're going to go to video, and then it's currently on 16:9 aspect ratio. You're going to want to change that to 9:16. So the way you do that is by switching the 1080 and the 1920. So now it's 1080 by 1920. Then you do that for the output scaled resolution as well. So 1080 by 1920. And then you're gonna go ahead and click on apply. So now we have the aspect ratio for TikTok, Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So now we just wanna add our video capture device. So we're gonna go ahead and create a scene. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the plus and then click on OK, and that's gonna create a new scene for us. Once we create a new scene, we're gonna go ahead and wanna add a source or our video camera in this sense. So we're gonna go ahead and click on the plus and then video capture device. If you wanna add a new video capture device, you're gonna do create new and then label it whatever you want and then click on OK and then select whatever video capture device you have on your computer that you want to use. In my instance, I want to use my Sony a5100. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add existing and then click on Sony a5100. So boom, I added my Sony a5100, but it's at a weird angle. Why is that? So I'm actually shooting at 9:16 aspect ratio instead of the normal 16:9 aspect ratio. So it's confusing my actual OBS right now. But let me show you what I mean. So normally when you shoot a video, you want to shoot it horizontally, but in this instance, you want to shoot it vertically so it fills up your whole screen. You're going to want to do this for iPhones, webcams, and cameras. So for me, I'm using my Sony a5100. So instead of having it horizontally, I actually have it positioned vertically so that I can shoot my TikToks. But the way you actually transform this to a different, degree, is by right clicking and then clicking on transform and then rotating it 90 degrees and then doing it 2 more times until you actually have it at the right angle. So right click again and then right click a 3rd time and then rotate 90 degrees. So as you can see now, I am positioned perfectly within my camera's aspect ratio, and now I can shoot my videos. I may zoom it in just a little bit, so let's make it look a little bit nicer. All right, so now this is how I shoot my TikToks. I have my blurred background, I have my microphone, and then now all I have to do is just press record, and then it'll save to my actual videos on my computer, and I'm good to go. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy.